Hello guys, welcome back. This is Khalil Sediqi and now time to work on VFX. Let's start. Create a new composition from footage. Click here. Let's import a video. So where is the video? Double click. Select this video. Press import. So now select the scene, which is I say rain. There is rain. Let's trim the comb from the start and snowfall. And go to composition, trim comb to work area. Let's play
like rain and snowfall for your scenes.
good. Lock your footage and right-click, create a new solid. Select the solid to black. And right here, rain, press enter and go to effects and presets. Right here, CC rainfall. Select and apply. So change, press F4, change to add. When you play
like rain,
when I say rain, change the rain size. And press T, turn off the opacity, like rain, turn on. And let's play
like rain
and stopwatch, play.
and
When I say snowfall, turn off the opacity of rain. Let's create another new black solid and right here, snowfall. Press enter and go to effect and presets, right, snowfall. Apply, change the snow size like this and change the mode to add and press T, turn off the opacity, snowfall. Let's change the snowfall. Play now.
like rain and snowfall for your scenes. How like rain and snowfall for your scenes. How like rain and snowfall for your scenes.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about create very basic effects for your footage. Don't forget, in next lesson, how to create realistic rain, snowfall by Trapcode particular plugins.